Hey everyone, welcome to the video tutorial on chiujinghong.com. And in this video, we're going to show you how to purchase your own domain on google.com. As you can see right now on your screen, we are on the Google domain registration page. And in my article, I've already mentioned that Google is partnering with the two largest domain registrar, and that is GoDaddy.com and enom.com. So now, the first step to registering your own domain is to come on to this google.com page. The URL is given right on top, and that would be google.com/a/signup. Okay, you don't have to copy this down because I'm going to make it available right underneath this video within my article. Let's hop on and I'll show you how to purchase your domain on Google. The first step is to key in your particulars right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my own particulars. Okay, so you shouldn't be copying what I'm typing right here because that's my particulars, not yours. Okay, so you're gonna put in your real name and your last name, and then your working email address. For mine, it's going to be this one. Okay, you can key in your business or organization name. I'm just going to put nil for me, and depending on how large your company is, you can choose the appropriate numbers of employees. Okay, and then your country and region. I'm in Singapore, so if you are in United States or if you are in Australia, it's going to show your country, but you can actually change the country to your own preference. Alright, choose the one that you are in. Okay, then key in your phone number. Alright, then click on next. That should bring you to the second step. The second step is to tell Google which domain you would like. Okay, so there are actually two radio buttons here. Use a domain name I have already purchased, or use a complimentary mygbs.com address. But for this video tutorial, what we'd like to do is to buy a new domain. So go down to the link at the bottom that says actually I would like to buy a new domain. Click on that. Okay, a sub instruction form or a particular form rather will appear right at the bottom here. So now this is where you want to type in the new domain name that you would like to buy. Okay, there are an assortment of different top level domains that you can buy. Top level domain is essentially .com, .net, .org, etc., etc. So if you like to buy a .com, it's $12, .net is $10, so on and so forth. Okay, so I'm gonna stick with .com. And before this video tutorial, I have determined my new domain, so I'm going to put it in here. So that's my new domain I would like to buy. Okay, next click on check availability just to make sure that it is available. If it's not, it's going to tell you and you got to pick another one. Okay, so once that's done, key in your local address, and once you have finished putting down your address, click next. That will bring you to step 3. Alright, now in step 3 they require you to put in your username as well as the corresponding password for your username. So you can see down here it says at bestseomarketing.com. So whatever you choose here, Google is going to assume that you're going to use that as your email as well as your username to log into your account later on. Okay, so I'm going to choose something easy to remember. And next I'll pick a password. So then solve the captcha here. So if the captcha is too difficult, you can press this one to refresh to get another captcha. Alright, So this one here is this. So if you would not like to receive any emails from Google, then leave this unchecked. Okay, but make sure you check the next box. I have read and agree to Google Apps for Business agreement. Once that's done, click on accept and sign up. Now we are on the next page right now. It says here, welcome to Google Apps for Business. The next step is to purchase your new domain. If you stop at this step, it's not considered completed. You have not bought your domain yet. So go on and click on purchase your new domain. Okay, after you have click on the purchase a new domain, Google will bring you to this page, and this is where you need to sign in using your username. So in my case, that would be support, and then key in your password and hit on sign in. You'll be taken to this page here where it says purchase domain registration. So we just have to follow the steps one by one, okay? And we're going to walk you through step by step. So the first thing here is select your country, which is pre-selected for me, and it's Singapore since I'm staying in Singapore. And the currency here, you can actually choose euros or USD. I'm going to choose USD because it's actually cheaper for me. So I'm going to bring you to a page to do an online calculation from USD to Singapore dollars and euros. Okay, I have done this beforehand. As you can see, that 10 euros, alright, actually converts to 16 Sing dollars, okay, Singapore dollars. So for United States, that would be US dollars, okay. It's actually 12 US dollars. So that's actually $14, 14 Singapore dollars. So it's actually cheaper for me to pay in US dollars than in euro. So that's why I'm going to choose USD. You can do this a little exercise on your computer just to determine which is a better exchange rate for you. Simply type in the amount here on your Google search bar. Okay, for example, 12 USD to Australian dollars, that would be AUD, and just hit enter. Alright, okay, make sure you go to a new window to do that, okay, so you don't lose this page. Now once I have determined my currency, okay, that's $12 per domain per year, okay, the next step is to make sure that you check the correct boxes. So automatically renew my registration each year, yes, okay, I do not want to have the hassle of logging in every year and to make my payment. So when you have this checked, it will automatically deduct the payment, so you don't have to worry about it, and remember the dates of the next time you need to log in to make payment. Okay, now this is the one that I've been talking about in my article that I mentioned about the private Whois, if you remember, and it says right here, keep my registration information unlisted, do not make it available in the Whois directory unless required. What this means is that all the personal information is not going to show up publicly on the Whois page, okay, or the Whois directory. So if you don't mind having your site showing your name, then just simply uncheck it. For me, I'm gonna keep it checked, okay, and it's free every year. You just need to pay the $12 yearly subscription fee. Okay, so registration is powered by, like I said, that Google has partnered with eNom and GoDaddy, so you can choose either one. Okay, it really doesn't matter because both of them are really quite popular and reputable, but I'm just gonna go with GoDaddy in this case. Okay, so then check this button, alright, and it says here I have read the GoDaddy Universal Terms and Services. You can click on this link and make sure you read through all the terms and services. Then finally click on continue. Okay, so in step 2 it is going to review your purchase, Everything looks correct. So next, you're going to click on accept and continue. So once you are in this page, you can see that Google is asking you to confirm your business information and your primary billing contact. Okay, so this just make sure that you have keyed in everything correctly. If you're happy with the results, click on continue. Next, you can choose what you want to pay with. Currently, the only method I can pay with is with credit cards. Okay, you can see that they accept most major credit cards. So I'm going to key in my credit card details right here. Alright. Okay, and once you have keyed in all your particulars, go on down to click on submit and activate my account. Okay, when you click on the button, Google is going to take some time to load to the next page. So do not click on back or any other buttons during that time. Just wait patiently until it shows you this page that you're seeing right now in front of you. What you see down here is that Google is telling you that it's in the process of processing your payment information. Alright, so once that's done, you can actually start to access all your domain information, but right now we can't. So all you have to do is to keep this page, alright, or you can log out and then go for a coffee or something, and then in about 2 hours time you'll come back and take a look at the website. Alright, hey, welcome back. So now we are right back at the login screen. In most cases, you will likely be logged out and you need to come back to your login page. Now, the login page is really, okay, I'm going to show you here. It's going to be www.google.com/a/cpanel/ alright, your domain name. Okay, so key that into your web browser, and that should bring you back to the correct login page. Now you're gonna key in your username here and then the password, okay, and then hit on sign in. Oops. Okay, once you have done that, it will bring you back to the dashboard. As you can see, the pending status no longer appears, and right now you have full access to your domain. Okay, so that's the end of our tutorial, and in the next tutorial, lesson number 3, I'm going to show you how to set up a web host and subsequently link your domain to your web host. Okay, so that will be all for now. So hope you learned something. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.